Let me show you in 2 minutes how the Wiley CPA Excel Review course will get you through the exam the first time. We'll need to address 5 key items: the exam planner, your customized schedule, the content you need to cover, and being familiar with the computerized exam. Last but not least, final review and working on weak areas. So with that, let's jump into the 5 categories. The first step here is to create your plan. And with our exam planner, you will simply enter your begin study date and the date you plan to sit for the exam, and your customized exam plan is generated. Secondly, your customized schedule. With your customized plan in place, you'll begin your studies with your first assignment and will work each bite-sized lesson within each assignment. The next key area is the content you need to cover. You will work through the must-know material for each lesson, which includes lectures from some of the top faculty in the country on what you need to focus on. You'll review the text material and, most importantly, the exam questions. Your goal is to answer 90% of your questions correctly and then move on to the next topic. Being familiar with the computerized exam is key. Every time you practice questions in our program, you will be experiencing the exact format as the exam itself. You will receive feedback on each quiz and each question with supporting rationales. You're now in the final stretch, which includes full simulated CPA exams with exam analysis provided upon completion of the exam. Last but not least is your personal performance analysis based on the AICPA SSO CSO to help you identify areas requiring additional review. So those are the 5 keys to get you to your goal, and Wiley CPA Excel provides those tools for you. So take advantage of our 14-day free trial and see it for yourself. I'd like to thank you for joining me today, and I wish you the best in your exam preparation.